Welcome back to 99 Reviews, your hub for exploring the most exciting AI tools of today. And trust me, you don't want to miss this one. Imagine typing a sentence like, "Build me a futuristic landing page for an AI coffee machine that brews based on my mood." And instantly, you've got a working website. Sounds crazy? Let's dive into DeepSite by Hugging Face. DeepSite is a Hugging Face project that lets you create full websites and apps with just a text prompt. You don't need to know HTML, CSS, or DeepSite handles the heavy lifting. Built on the DeepSeek V3 model, it takes your idea, turns it into real code, and shows you a live preview in seconds. Here's how it works. You describe your idea, for example. Create an interactive quiz site where users guess movie quotes in neon cyberpunk style. The AI generates the site instantly. You refine it. Want a retro arcade theme or a leaderboard? Just ask. Deploy or download. Host it online or grab the code to tweak further. It's that simple. Text in, full website out. Let's try something wild. I'll prompt DeepSite with, "Design a one-page event site for a 2050 space tourism company with a countdown timer and galaxy background." And just like that, we have a futuristic landing page. Now I'll refine it. Add a ticket booking button with a rocket emoji and glowing hover effect. Boom! Updated in seconds. No coding, no stress. Quick pause. If you're enjoying this breakdown, hit that subscribe button and join our community here at 99 Reviews. We cover the best AI tools every week, and you don't want to miss out. So, what can you actually build with DeepSite? Here are some fun ideas. A startup pitch page, landing page for a flying taxi service with animated drones, an education app, science quiz site for kids with cartoon planets as answer buttons, entertainment, fan page for cricket highlights with auto-updating live scores. These aren't just demos, that you can genuinely use these for projects, events, or even business ideas. DeepSite's biggest strength is speed and accessibility. You don't need coding skills, you don't waste time setting up frameworks, and the results are surprisingly professional. But here's the catch. Complex apps with heavy databases or advanced authentication? Not there yet. Detailed design perfection? You may need manual tweaks, and of course, your results depend on how clearly you write your prompts. So no, it won't build the next Fortnite, at least not yet. The exciting part, this is just the beginning. Soon tools like DeepSite could generate full-stack apps, front-end, back-end, databases, and all, from a single description. Imagine typing, "Build me an Instagram clone for pet owners with an AI dog translator," and actually getting it. That's the future we're heading toward, like. So that's DeepSite by Hugging Face, a text-to-website AI that makes building online projects faster, easier, and honestly, way more fun. If you could create any website instantly, what would you build? Drop your ideas in the comments. I'd love to see them. And don't forget, hit subscribe to stay updated with the latest AI reviews, only here on 99 Reviews. See you in the next one.